subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo has launched its new affordable smartphone under Y series in Philippines called Vivo Y20s G, and it seems to be a rebranded version of Vivo Y20s G smartphone that was launched in January this year in India. Talking about the specifications, the Vivo Y20s G features a 6.51-inch HD Plus IPS display with 20:9 aspect ratio, and it is powered by MediaTek Helio G80 chipset paired with Mali G52 MC2 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of optics, the Vivo Y20s G supports a vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 13MP main camera with f2.2 aperture plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has an 8MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f1.8 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 with FunTouch OS 11 skin on top, and it packs with a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 18W fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with multi-turbo 3.0 feature for gaming. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro-USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.41 by 76.32 by 8.41mm, and it weighs around 192.3 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Vivo Y20s G has been priced in Philippines at 9,999 Philippine pesos, and the smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Obsidian Black and Purest Blue color options. So what do you guys think of this Vivo Y20s G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.